welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the CAMDUCK Smoke Detector Spy Security Camera. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The packaging is a fairly standard packaging with just a CAMDUCK logo at the top here. When you open it up, you're greeted with the user manual. Let's take a look at the user manual for a second. User manual will show you how to get to know the camera, how to assemble the base, where to insert the SD card if you bought one, and how to mount it. And along with that, you will get the information on the app, on how to connect the app. On the back, it shows you where your saved recorded footage is, actually on where to connect to the internet. So saved footage right here, where to connect to the internet, and a bunch of other stuff you want to know about. I'll let you guys take a look at that on your own time. Next up, we have the actual camera, or spy security camera. But anyway, box is fairly sturdy, I want to say. When you open up the box, you get the USB-C. You also get the screws right here, and you get a USB for the micro SD. Oh, okay, so this is a micro SD readable. We're gonna take a look at that in just a second. It also comes with a pick. Looks like a guitar pick. So if you open up the USB, you notice that when you open up the USB, you will notice that the back of it takes a micro SD card if you want to read up the footage. So this is very useful. Now let's get to the smoke detector as well in its own. Unboxing it. Looks like a very standard smoke detector with a microphone here, with a reset button right here, most likely for LED. And the camera, from what I'm seeing here, is right here in the middle. It's gonna be right there. And you have the smoke detector right there. Looks like a typical smoke detector. Yeah, that about does it. So that about does it for this unboxing. It was a very short unboxing for this smoke detector test. It acts like any other smoke detector test. Mounting it might take a minute, but you would mount it the same way as you would mount a regular smoke detector, and you would connect it to the CAMDUCK app, which they have available on the Apple Store or on the Play Store. Now, keep in mind, they did leave us a USB to read your micro SD footage if you need that, and there's also a USB-C wire included, along with the screws and anything you need for that. Also with a guitar pick. That one, I'm not too sure what that one is for, but it is included as well, which you might find out if you look at the manual. Maybe it will detail that for you guys. Now, thank you guys for watching this short unboxing. See you guys in the next one.